Hello again, everyone. Welcome to our Breakaway Seat Box Breaks, 2013-2014 Panini Prime Box Break number 27. Here's the last one for auction. Here's Edmonton. So the number is just a little bit hard to see, so I cut the plastic first. There you go. Serial number is NE189 30765. That's NE819 30765. Good luck, everybody. Start with the base card, RG Umberger for the Blue Jackets, 280 to 299. And we got a short print base, 7 out of 10 of Adam Henrique for the Devils. We got a primetime rookies of Neil Yakupov, 31 out of 50 for the Oilers. We got a Prime Colors logo of Dan Hamus for the Canucks, 14 out of 40. It seems an incredible hit of Jonathan Toews for the Blackhawks, number 4 of 7. Got a Prime Duels of Mario Lemieux and Brian Bellows, 95 out of 200. Randomizes at the end between the Penguins and Dallas. Quad Auto rookie Jonathan Huberdeau, 26 out of 189 for the Panthers. We have a quad auto rookie, 41 out of 189, John Merrill for the Devils. And then you finish out the base card of Nicholas Backstrom, 11 out of 299 for the Capitals. So let me just get the random set up, 1 second. So between Pittsburgh and Dallas, good luck. 1, 2, and 3. Second card goes to Dallas. Congrats to Dallas. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.